Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INPX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. First thing first, unfortunately, nobody is massively rich. Yes, I realize that just a couple of days ago, this thing was trading for below $1, and now it's showing, being up here in the multi-dollar range. But what occurred was a reverse split. So that's just a manipulation of the share structure. So in other words, you as a shareholder just own less shares. So yes, your shares are worth more, but you own less of them. So everything equals out. So that's what's going on here. That is why the pricing is so different all of a sudden. But as far as getting back to the chart is concerned, the overall chart definitely sitting next to a very, very important level. For a couple different reasons, and that level going forward is right here at $5.50. Why is $5.50 so important? Well, if the price, and I'm not saying this will occur, but if the price were to go down to $5.50 and then just continue on down, first reason why that's really bad is at that point, from a very literal perspective, that would essentially be putting the price right back to where it was before this massive breakout happened. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. And then the second reason would be, well, that would also imply that the price is broken down below that pink line right there, which on my chart denotes the very famous 200 period moving average. Even if you have a very basic, very surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period moving average, and you know that when the price is up above it, then you want to see the price stay above it as support, assuming, of course, you're bullish. But like I said, if the price were to break below 550, not only would that be, having the price break down through that 200 period moving average, but that also be putting the price back inside of this range of the chart, which, like I said, is essentially right back to where it started, and that's not what you want to see going forward. Now, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, the level that's looking pretty interesting right now is this trend line right here. This is doing a good job of symbolizing, the slow downwards pressure that was being, applied to it by the bears. But, if the price can get a good high volume break of that trend line, this one has proven it can move. And it could be very, very interesting. So me personally, I'm going to be keeping a close eye on that trend line, and we'll see if we can get any sort of break of that. But yeah, if the downwards pressure continues and it starts cracking down through those areas of support, then that would just be further signals that the bears are just taking that much more control. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.